Welcome to another video from Gradelink websites. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to embed a form on a page. So first things first, we're going to head over to the back end of the site and we'll click on Forms. And you may have a form that you wish to embed on the site itself, and you may be wondering, well, how exactly do I do that? So easiest way to do that is first hover over the form you wish to embed, click on Edit, and this is actually a blank form, so perhaps we'll get rid of this one. Let's try this one. Okay, so this one looks like the correct form. And what you'll see in the upper right hand corner here, click on Embed. And you could try to add to an existing page, but this typically isn't very accurate. And when you're using the builder on the page, then you want to have exact control over where you put the form. So the best thing to do is click Copy Shortcode. Then head over to the page that you wish to embed it on. So I'm going to open up a new tab here and head over to a page. Let's suppose that it's the support page. Click Enable Visual Builder. And once that loads up, you can either add to an existing text field or we can add a new one. So we'll click on the plus button to add a new module, search for the text field, click on the text module here, and simply replace the default text here and paste in your embed code here. You can also change it the title to false if you don't want the form title to show up there. And then simply save the page and you'll be able to see the form show up on the page when you exit the Visual Builder. Sometimes when you're in the Visual Builder, it takes a while for the form to actually show up there. So that's how you can embed very accurately a form that you've created anywhere on the site. Simply add a text module where you wish it to be, or you can add a text module and then move it to wherever you'd like, and then you'll be able to place the embed code or the short code for the form into the page and place it where you want it to be. That's all there is to it. If you have any further questions, please reach out to Gradelink support, website support.